Our planet is home to billions of animals. Some live in the oceans, some in deserts, and others in jungles. Each one is unique and plays an important role in nature. In this video, I'll share amazing facts and details about different animals in the world. This is the A to Z Animal series, and today we'll explore creatures from A to G. Let's begin this journey into the wild wonders of our planet. Please do not forget to subscribe. The African elephant is the largest land mammal on Earth. Known for its massive size, long trunk, and large fan-like ears. These gentle giants play a vital role in their ecosystems by shaping the landscape as they feed on trees, shrubs, and grasses. Their tusks, which are actually elongated incisors, are used for digging, stripping bark, and defending themselves when necessary. African elephants live in herds led by a matriarch, and their social bonds are strong, with deep communication through vocalizations and even low-frequency sounds that travel long distances. Sadly, they are endangered due to poaching for ivory and habitat loss. The Adelie penguin is a small but resilient bird that inhabits the icy coasts of Antarctica. With their distinctive tuxedo-like black and white plumage, they are excellent swimmers and spend much of their lives in the water hunting for krill, fish, and squid. On land, Adelie penguins gather in large colonies to breed, often traveling long distances across ice to reach their nesting sites. They build simple nests out of stones and are fiercely protective of their eggs and chicks. Despite the harsh climate, they have adapted remarkably well to one of the coldest places on Earth. The alligator is a large reptile native to freshwater environments such as swamps, rivers, and marshes, particularly in the southeastern United States and parts of China. With their powerful jaws and armored bodies, they are apex predators, feeding on fish, birds, and small mammals. Alligators are known for their ability to stay almost completely submerged with only their eyes and nostrils above the water, making them stealthy hunters. Interestingly, the temperature of their nest determines the sex of their offspring. A unique trait in reptiles. Although they may appear aggressive, alligators play an important role in maintaining healthy wetland ecosystems. The alpaca is a domesticated animal native to South America, particularly in the Andes Mountains of Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. Related to llamas, alpacas are smaller and prized for their incredibly soft fleece, which is used to make warm and luxurious textiles. These gentle and social herd animals graze on grasses and are highly adapted to high altitudes. They communicate with each other using humming sounds and are known for their calm nature, although they sometimes spit to show dominance or annoyance. For centuries, alpacas have been a vital part of Andean culture and economy. The ant is one of the most fascinating and diverse insects on the planet. Found almost everywhere except Antarctica. Ants live in highly organized colonies that can number in the millions, with a clear division of labor between workers, soldiers, and the queen. They are incredibly strong for their size, capable of carrying many times their own body weight. Ants play a crucial role in ecosystems by aerating soil, decomposing organic material, and spreading seeds. Their teamwork and communication through chemical signals, known as pheromones, make them some of the most successful creatures in the animal kingdom. The antelope is a graceful herbivore found across Africa and parts of Asia, known for its speed, agility, and long, slender legs. With many different species ranging from the small dik-dik to the large eland, antelopes thrive in diverse habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and deserts. They are prey for big cats and other predators, so their survival depends on their keen senses and ability to run at remarkable speeds. Many species live in herds, offering protection in numbers, and their horns, often curved or spiraled, are used for defense and competition among males during mating season. The axolotl, often called the Mexican walking fish, is a fascinating amphibian that remains in its aquatic larval form throughout its life. Native to lakes near Mexico City, axolotls are famous for their ability to regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their heart and brain. With their feathery external gills, wide heads, and friendly expressions, they have become popular in captivity worldwide. Unfortunately, in the wild, axolotls are critically endangered due to habitat loss and pollution, but they are a symbol of resilience and scientific curiosity. The Avocet is an elegant wading bird easily recognized by its long, upturned bill and striking black and white plumage. Found in wetlands, marshes, and shallow lakes, avocets use their slender bills to sweep through the water, feeding on small insects, crustaceans, and other invertebrates. Their long legs allow them to wade gracefully in search of food. These birds often nest in colonies, providing safety in numbers, and they are also known for their protective nature when guarding their chicks from predators. The armadillo is a unique mammal native to the Americas, especially South and Central America, though the nine-banded armadillo is also found in the southern United States. They are easily recognized by their tough, armor-like plates that cover their bodies. Armadillos dig burrows for shelter and feed on insects, grubs, and plants, using their strong claws to forage. Some species can curl into a ball as a defense mechanism, though not all can perform this trick. They are nocturnal and solitary by nature, relying on their armor for protection from predators. The anteater is a specialized mammal known for its long snout and sticky tongue, which it uses to feed on ants and termites. Native to Central and South America, there are 4 species, with the giant anteater being the largest. Despite lacking teeth, anteaters consume thousands of insects daily, tearing into nests with their strong claws. They are slow-moving but highly adapted to their insect diet. With their shaggy coats and unique appearance, anteaters are one of the most distinctive insect-eating mammals in the world. Baboons are large, intelligent monkeys found mainly in Africa and parts of Arabia, living in troops that can number over 100 members. They are highly social animals, communicating through vocal calls, facial expressions, and gestures, and spend much of their time foraging for fruits, seeds, roots, insects, and occasionally small animals. Known for their dog-like snouts, sharp teeth, and strong bodies, baboons are both powerful and adaptable, while grooming among troop members strengthens social bonds and maintains group harmony. Badgers are small but robust mammals, known for their bold and fearless nature. Spending most of their lives digging intricate underground homes called sets that can be used for generations. They are nocturnal omnivores, feeding on earthworms, insects, fruits, roots, and occasionally small animals. Equipped with strong claws and muscular bodies, badgers are expert diggers and use their burrows for safety, making them both resourceful and courageous despite their modest size. Bats are the only true flying mammals, with over 1,400 species found worldwide, playing crucial roles in ecosystems as pollinators, seed dispersers, and controllers of insect populations. Their wings are made of thin skin stretched over elongated fingers, giving them agility in flight, while many species navigate and hunt in complete darkness using echolocation, sending out high-frequency sounds that bounce back as echoes. Living in colonies that range from a few individuals to millions, bats are highly social and essential for maintaining ecological balance. Beavers are large, semi-aquatic rodents famous for their skill in building dams, lodges, and canals using wood, branches, and mud, creating ponds that protect them from predators and provide easy access to food. With strong, continuously growing teeth, beavers can cut through trees efficiently, while their flat, paddle-shaped tails help them swim, balance, and communicate. Known as nature's engineers, beavers work tirelessly to shape their environment, leaving a lasting impact on ecosystems wherever they live. Bears are large, powerful mammals found in forests, mountains, and tundra across the world, including species such as brown bears, black bears, and polar bears. They are omnivores, with diets ranging from berries, nuts, and roots to fish and small mammals, and some species, like the polar bear, rely heavily on seals for survival. Bears are strong swimmers and climbers, and despite their size, they can move with surprising speed and agility. Mostly solitary, they communicate through scent markings, vocalizations, and body language. Hibernation is a remarkable adaptation in many bear species, allowing them to survive harsh winters by slowing their metabolism and living off stored fat. Highly intelligent and curious, bears play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. The blue whale is the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weights of 200 tons or more. These gentle giants are found in oceans worldwide and feed almost exclusively on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill, consuming several tons each day during feeding seasons. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are graceful swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. They communicate using powerful, low-frequency sounds that can travel across vast ocean distances. Buffalo, also known as the African buffalo or water buffalo depending on the species, are large, strong herbivores found in grasslands, savannas, and wetlands. They live in herds that provide protection against predators such as lions and crocodiles. Buffalo are known for their thick horns, muscular bodies, and incredible stamina, which make them formidable animals in the wild. They graze on grasses and other vegetation, playing an important role in shaping their ecosystems. Buffalo are social and intelligent, displaying cooperation within the herd, particularly when defending young or injured members. The bald eagle is a majestic bird of prey native to North America, easily recognized by its white head and tail contrasting with a dark brown body and wings. It primarily feeds on fish, which it captures with its sharp talons, and is known for its incredible eyesight that allows it to spot prey from great distances. Bald eagles build enormous nests called eyries, often in tall trees or cliffs near water bodies, which they reuse and expand year after year. These powerful birds are symbols of strength, freedom, and resilience, and their populations have rebounded in recent decades thanks to conservation efforts. Blackbird. Blackbirds are medium-sized songbirds commonly found across Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. They are known for their glossy black feathers in males and rich, melodic songs that are often heard at dawn and dusk. Omnivorous by nature, blackbirds feed on insects, worms, berries, and seeds, adapting their diet according to seasonal availability. They build cup-shaped nests in shrubs, trees, or hedges, raising their young with care and attention. Blackbirds are highly adaptable and often live close to human settlements, demonstrating intelligence and resourcefulness in finding food. The blue jay is a striking bird native to North America. Easily recognized by its bright blue plumage, white chest, and black markings around the neck and eyes. Known for their intelligence and strong social behavior, blue jays often gather in noisy groups and are excellent mimics. Capable of imitating the calls of other birds, even hawks. They are omnivorous, feeding on nuts, seeds, insects, and occasionally small vertebrates. Blue jays also play a role in forest regeneration by burying acorns, some of which later grow into trees. While they may seem aggressive, particularly around feeders, their vibrant color and lively personality make them a favorite among birdwatchers. The black swan is a graceful water bird native to Australia, though it has been introduced to other parts of the world as well. Unlike the more common white swan, the black swan has dark plumage with striking red beaks and white wingtips visible in flight. They are often found in lakes, rivers, and wetlands, where they feed on aquatic plants and algae. Black swans are monogamous and known for their lifelong pair bonds, often raising their cygnets together. Their elegant movements and unique coloring have made them a symbol of rarity and mystery in many cultures. The butterfly is one of the most enchanting insects on Earth, admired for its delicate wings covered in tiny scales that create stunning patterns and colors. Found all over the world, butterflies undergo complete metamorphosis, starting as eggs, then transforming into caterpillars, pupae, and finally emerging as winged adults. They play an important role in pollination, visiting flowers to feed on nectar with their long proboscis. Despite their fragile appearance, butterflies can migrate long distances, with the monarch butterfly traveling thousands of miles across North America. Their beauty and transformation symbolize hope, change, and the wonders of nature. The camel is a remarkable desert animal perfectly adapted to survive in harsh, arid environments. Found mainly in the Middle East, Africa, and parts of Asia, camels are known as the ships of the desert because of their ability to travel long distances with little food or water. Their distinctive humps store fat, not water, which they use as energy when resources are scarce. Camels have thick eyelashes and nostrils that can close to protect against sand, and their wide, padded feet allow them to walk on soft desert sand without sinking. They have been essential to human civilizations for centuries, serving as pack animals and providing milk, meat, and even wool. The capybara is the largest rodent in the world, native to South America, where it inhabits wetlands, rivers, and grassy plains. Gentle and social, capybaras live in groups and are semi-aquatic, spending much of their time in or near water. They are excellent swimmers, with partially webbed feet that help them move effortlessly through rivers and lakes. Capybaras feed mainly on grasses and aquatic plants, and they are often seen coexisting peacefully with a variety of animals, even allowing birds to perch on their backs. Their calm and friendly nature has made them popular among wildlife enthusiasts worldwide. The chimpanzee is one of our closest living relatives, sharing about 98 to 99% of human DNA. Native to the forests and savannas of Africa, chimpanzees are highly intelligent primates known for their problem-solving skills, tool use, and complex social structures. They live in communities called troops and communicate through vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. Chimpanzees have a varied diet that includes fruits, leaves, insects, and occasionally small animals. Their playful and curious nature mirrors that of humans, but they are also capable of aggression and strong dominance behaviors. Sadly, their populations are threatened by habitat destruction and hunting. The cow is one of the most important domesticated animals in human history. Valued for its milk, meat, leather, and as a source of labor in many cultures. Cows are gentle herbivores that graze on grasses and have a unique digestive system with 4 stomach compartments, allowing them to efficiently break down plant material. They are social creatures that often form strong bonds within their herds, communicating through low moos and body language. Beyond their agricultural importance, cows also hold cultural and religious significance in many societies, symbolizing abundance, nourishment, and even sacredness. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, in short bursts. Found mainly in parts of Africa, cheetahs are built for speed with slender bodies, long legs, and distinctive black tear marks running down their faces, which help reduce glare from the sun. They hunt primarily during the day, chasing down antelopes and other small prey with incredible precision. Unlike lions or leopards, cheetahs do not roar, but instead produce chirps, growls, and purrs. Unfortunately, they are vulnerable due to habitat loss, human conflict, and declining prey populations. The caterpillar is the larval stage of butterflies and moths, representing one of the most transformative life cycles in the animal kingdom. These soft-bodied creatures are specialized for feeding and growth, consuming large amounts of leaves to store energy for their metamorphosis. Caterpillars often have striking colors, patterns, or even spines to ward off predators, while others rely on camouflage to blend into their environment. Despite their simple appearance, they play a crucial ecological role by supporting food chains and eventually transforming into pollinating adults. Their journey from caterpillar to butterfly has long been a symbol of change and renewal. The cassowary is a large, flightless bird native to the tropical rainforests of Australia, New Guinea, and nearby islands. Known for its striking blue neck, red wattles, and tall helmet-like casque, the cassowary is both beautiful and formidable. Often called the world's most dangerous bird, it has powerful legs equipped with sharp claws that can deliver dangerous kicks if threatened. Despite this reputation, cassowaries are shy and solitary, feeding mainly on fruits, fungi, and small animals, making them vital seed dispersers in their ecosystems. Their secretive nature and vibrant appearance make them one of the most fascinating rainforest inhabitants. The chicken is one of the most widespread domesticated animals on Earth. Kept by humans for thousands of years for their eggs, meat, and companionship. Originally descended from the red jungle fowl of Asia, chickens now live across the globe in both farms and households. They are highly social birds, often establishing hierarchies known as pecking orders within flocks. Chickens are omnivores, pecking at grains, insects, and plants. And they communicate through a wide range of clucks, calls, and body movements. Beyond their economic importance, chickens also play a role in cultural traditions, folklore, and even scientific research. The coot is a water bird commonly found in wetlands, lakes, and ponds across Europe, Asia, and North America. Recognizable by its black plumage, white beak, and red eyes, the coot is both an excellent swimmer and diver. Unlike ducks, coots have lobed toes instead of fully webbed feet, which help them navigate both water and land. They feed on aquatic plants, insects, and small invertebrates. During breeding season, coots are fiercely territorial, often engaging in noisy disputes to defend their nests. Despite their modest size, they are highly resilient birds that adapt well to changing environments. The crane is a tall, elegant bird known for its long legs, slender neck, and graceful courtship dances. Found on every continent except South America and Antarctica, cranes inhabit wetlands, grasslands, and marshes. They are omnivorous, feeding on seeds, plants, insects, and small animals. Cranes are celebrated in many cultures as symbols of peace, longevity, and good fortune, particularly in Asia. Their elaborate dances involving leaps, bows, and wing displays strengthen pair bonds and are a spectacular sight in the wild. Unfortunately, many crane species are endangered due to habitat loss and hunting, making them a focus of global conservation efforts. The crow is one of the most intelligent and adaptable birds in the world, found on nearly every continent. With glossy black feathers and sharp eyes, crows are highly social creatures that live in groups called murders. They are omnivorous, feeding on everything from grains and fruits to insects, small animals, and even carrion. Known for their problem-solving skills, tool use, and remarkable memory, crows are often considered among the smartest of all birds. They communicate using a wide range of calls, and even show behaviors like mourning their dead. In many cultures, crows are symbols of mystery, transformation, and wisdom. The clownfish is a small, brightly colored fish made famous by its orange body, marked with white bands. Native to the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, clownfish live in close partnership with sea anemones. This unique relationship benefits both species. The clownfish gains protection from predators by hiding among the stinging tentacles of the anemone, while the anemone receives food scraps and better water circulation from the fish. Clownfish are also fascinating because they can change sex, with the dominant individual in a group becoming the female. Their beauty and symbiotic lifestyle make them one of the most iconic reef fish. Chameleons are among the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom, and one of their most famous abilities is their rapid color change. But why do they change colors so quickly? Many people think chameleons change color only to blend into their surroundings, but the truth is far more interesting. Chameleons actually use their color-changing ability for communication, temperature control, and even to express their mood. The science behind this transformation is truly amazing. Unlike other animals that rely on pigments alone, chameleons have special cells in their skin called chromatophores and iridophores. These cells contain pigments and microscopic crystals that reflect light. By expanding or contracting these cells, a chameleon can shift the wavelengths of light that are reflected from its skin. This is how it can turn from bright green to deep red, or even shades of yellow, blue, and orange within seconds. One of the main reasons chameleons change color so quickly is communication. When two male chameleons face off, they often display bold and bright colors to show dominance and warn each other. A chameleon that feels threatened may turn dark or bold in pattern to look intimidating, while a calm or submissive chameleon may display duller shades. This color language helps them avoid unnecessary fights and establish territory without words. Another important reason is thermoregulation. Chameleons are cold-blooded reptiles, which means they depend on external heat sources to control their body temperature. By turning darker, they absorb more heat from the sun, and by turning lighter, they reflect sunlight to cool down. This rapid adjustment allows them to survive in different weather conditions and maintain the right body temperature for hunting and movement. Chameleons also change colors depending on their emotions and health. A stressed or sick chameleon may look dull, while a happy or excited one may display brighter shades. During courtship, males often put on a spectacular show of colors to impress females, almost like wearing a natural light display to attract attention. What makes this even more incredible is how fast the process is. A chameleon can shift its colors in less than 20 seconds. This speed is possible because the iridophores instantly rearrange their nanocrystals, changing how light reflects off the skin. It's like having a natural, built-in LED screen that can change designs in real time. So, while many people still believe color change is only for camouflage, the truth is that it's a complex tool for survival, communication, temperature regulation, and self-expression. Chameleons are living masterpieces of evolution, and their rapid color-changing ability is not just about hiding, but about talking, thriving, and adapting in their own unique way. The cat is one of the most beloved domesticated animals worldwide. Cherished both as a companion and as a skilled hunter. Descended from the African wildcat, domestic cats have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. They are independent yet affectionate, known for their agility, sharp senses, and playful behavior. Cats are natural predators, often hunting rodents, birds, and insects. But they also enjoy long hours of rest and grooming. With their wide range of breeds, colors, and personalities, cats have become a part of human culture, mythology, and daily life, symbolizing mystery, grace, and companionship. Dog breeds. The Dachshund. These small, elongated dogs, often called wiener dogs, are adored for their playful nature and unique appearance. But behind their charming looks lies a heartbreaking truth. Decades of selective breeding have left them with severe health issues that impact their quality of life. Dachshunds were originally bred for hunting badgers, which required a long body and short legs. However, excessive breeding for these features has resulted in serious spinal problems. Their long backs put them at high risk of intervertebral disc disease, IVDD, a painful condition that can lead to paralysis. Many dachshunds suffer from slipped discs, requiring costly surgeries and lifelong care. Even jumping off furniture can cause permanent spinal damage. Another sad reality is that these dogs often experience chronic pain and mobility issues as they age. Their short legs make it difficult to navigate stairs or rough terrain, limiting their ability to live a fully active life. Additionally, many dachshunds are prone to obesity, which worsens their spinal issues and leads to other health complications like diabetes and heart disease. Despite these challenges, Dachshunds remain one of the most popular breeds worldwide. But is their suffering worth the price of their cute appearance? As dog lovers, we must advocate for ethical breeding practices that prioritize health over aesthetics. If you're considering getting a dachshund, adopt from reputable breeders or shelters that focus on improving the breed's well-being, rather than just looks. The dolphin is one of the most intelligent and charismatic marine mammals found in oceans and rivers around the globe. Known for their playful behavior and high intelligence, dolphins live in social groups called pods and communicate through clicks, whistles, and body movements. They are excellent swimmers, capable of leaping gracefully out of the water, and they use echolocation to hunt fish and navigate their surroundings. Dolphins are often seen helping each other and even assisting injured pod members, showing their strong social bonds. Their beauty, intelligence, and friendly nature have made them symbols of freedom and joy across many cultures. The deer is a graceful herbivore found across almost every continent, inhabiting forests, grasslands, and even mountainous regions. Known for their slender bodies, long legs, and antlers, present in males of most species, deer are symbols of beauty and gentleness. They graze mainly on grass, leaves, and twigs, playing an important role in shaping vegetation in their habitats. Deer are prey for many predators, which has made them alert and agile, capable of moving quickly and silently through the wild. With their seasonal migrations and iconic antlers, deer are admired worldwide as one of the most enchanting wild animals. The duck is a waterfowl commonly found in lakes, rivers, wetlands, and coastal areas across the world. Ducks are highly adaptable birds with webbed feet for swimming and waterproof feathers that keep them dry in water. They feed on a wide variety of foods, including plants, insects, and small aquatic animals. Ducks are also known for their migratory journeys, traveling long distances during seasonal changes. Many species are valued for their beauty, with males often having bright plumage. Beyond their ecological role, ducks have been domesticated for eggs, meat, and feathers, making them important to humans as well. The donkey is a hardy domesticated animal that has been a loyal helper to humans for thousands of years. Known for their strength, endurance, and sure-footedness, donkeys have been used to carry loads, pull carts, and work in agriculture, especially in rugged or dry landscapes where other animals struggle. They are smaller and more resilient than horses, capable of surviving on limited food and water. Donkeys are also intelligent and cautious, often mistaken for being stubborn when they are simply assessing danger. Gentle and hardworking, they remain one of humanity's most reliable animal companions. The dragonfly is a fascinating insect, admired for its speed, agility, and dazzling wings. Found near ponds, lakes, and rivers, dragonflies are skilled hunters, catching mosquitoes and other insects in midair with incredible precision. Their large, multifaceted eyes give them nearly 360-degree vision, making them one of the best predators in the insect world. Dragonflies spend much of their life as aquatic larvae, before emerging as the colorful, winged adults we see. Symbolizing change and transformation in many cultures, dragonflies are not only beautiful, but also play an important role in controlling insect populations. The elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, known for its intelligence, strength, and complex social bonds. Found mainly in Africa and Asia, elephants are easily recognized by their trunks, which are versatile tools used for breathing, smelling, grasping, and even communicating. Their large ears help regulate body temperature, while their tusks, which are elongated teeth, are used for digging, stripping bark, and defense. Elephants live in herds led by a matriarch, and their social behavior includes cooperation, mourning, and deep family ties. Sadly, they are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, but they remain symbols of wisdom, memory, and majesty. The earthworm is a humble yet vital creature found in soils worldwide, playing a key role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. By burrowing through the ground, earthworms aerate the soil, improving water absorption and nutrient circulation. As they consume organic matter, they produce nutrient-rich castings that enhance plant growth, earning them the nickname nature's plow. Despite their simple appearance, earthworms are highly important for agriculture and biodiversity. The eel is a long, snake-like fish, found in both freshwater and saltwater environments across the globe. Many eels, such as the European eel, are famous for their mysterious migrations, traveling thousands of miles to breed in the Sargasso Sea. Eels have smooth, elongated bodies that allow them to slip into crevices and hunt fish, crustaceans, and other prey. Some species, like the electric eel, can produce strong electric shocks to defend themselves or stun prey. Their secretive nature and fascinating life cycle make eels some of the most enigmatic creatures of the aquatic world. The falcon is a powerful bird of prey, admired for its speed, precision, and sharp eyesight. Falcons are found worldwide, inhabiting open areas, deserts, and cliffs. They are skilled hunters, swooping down at incredible speeds to catch birds and small animals in midair. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth, capable of diving at over 200 miles per hour. Falcons have been associated with humans for centuries through the practice of falconry, where trained birds assist in hunting. They are symbols of freedom, focus, and strength across many cultures. The flamingo is a tall, wading bird famous for its bright pink feathers, long neck, and slender legs. Found in lakes, lagoons, and wetlands, flamingos feed on algae, shrimp, and other small organisms, which give them their striking pink color through pigments called carotenoids. They are highly social and often gather in large flocks, performing synchronized displays that strengthen group bonds. Flamingos are also unique for their upside-down feeding method, using their specialized beaks to filter food from the water. Their elegance and vibrant color make them some of the most iconic birds in the world. The frog is an amphibian that lives both on land and in water. With thousands of species found on every continent except Antarctica. Frogs are known for their powerful hind legs, which allow them to leap great distances, and their croaking calls, which vary widely between species. They undergo a dramatic metamorphosis, beginning life as aquatic tadpoles before transforming into adult frogs. Frogs are important indicators of environmental health because they are sensitive to pollution and climate changes. With their diverse colors, patterns, and fascinating life cycle, frogs are among the most remarkable creatures in the animal kingdom. The gazelle is a slender and graceful antelope found in the grasslands, deserts, and savannas of Africa and Asia. Known for their incredible speed and agility, gazelles can reach up to 60 miles per hour and perform high leaps called stotting to confuse predators like cheetahs and lions. They are herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses and shrubs, and they live in herds for safety and companionship. With their delicate horns, alert eyes, and elegant build, gazelles are symbols of beauty and swiftness in the wild. The giraffe is the tallest animal on Earth, native to the African savannas and open woodlands. Their long necks and legs allow them to reach leaves high in acacia trees that few other animals can access. Despite their height, giraffes have only 7 neck vertebrae, just like humans, but each one is greatly elongated. They live in loose social groups and communicate with subtle sounds, including infrasonic calls that humans cannot hear. Giraffes are gentle giants, and their patterned coats serve as camouflage in the wild. Their unique appearance makes them one of the most iconic animals of Africa. The goat is one of the earliest domesticated animals valued by humans for its milk, meat, and wool. Found in many parts of the world, goats are highly adaptable, living in mountains, deserts, and farms. They are known for their curious and playful behavior, often climbing steep rocks and even trees in search of food. Goats are herbivores with strong digestive systems that allow them to eat a variety of plants, including those too tough for other animals. They are social creatures that live in herds, and their resilience has made them a symbol of hardiness and independence. The gorilla is the largest living primate, found in the forests of Central and Western Africa. Gorillas live in family groups called troops, led by a dominant male known as a silverback. They are primarily herbivores, eating leaves, fruits, and stems, though their massive strength allows them to break branches with ease. Despite their size and power, gorillas are gentle, intelligent, and capable of showing emotions like joy, sadness, and compassion. They communicate through gestures, vocalizations, and facial expressions, and they share about 98% of their DNA with humans. Sadly, gorillas are endangered due to poaching and habitat destruction. The great tit is a small but vibrant songbird commonly found across Europe and Asia. Recognizable by its yellow chest, black head, and cheerful calls, this bird thrives in woodlands, gardens, and parks. Great tits are adaptable feeders, eating insects, seeds, and berries, and they often visit backyard feeders. They are also known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills, with studies showing their ability to learn new behaviors quickly. Their lively songs bring life to forests and fields, making them a favorite among birdwatchers. The grouper is a large, heavy-bodied fish found in warm ocean waters, particularly around coral reefs. Groupers are ambush predators, lying in wait to gulp down prey such as fish, squid, and crustaceans with their enormous mouths. Many grouper species are important in marine ecosystems and also highly valued for their meat. Some species can change sex during their lifetime, a rare trait in the animal kingdom. Despite their size and power, groupers face threats from overfishing, making conservation important for their survival. The grasshopper is a well-known insect found in fields, meadows, and grasslands around the world. With powerful hind legs, grasshoppers can leap great distances to escape predators. They are herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses and crops, and in large numbers, some species can form destructive swarms known as locusts. Grasshoppers produce their characteristic chirping sounds by rubbing their legs against their wings, a behavior known as stridulation. They play an important role in food chains as prey for birds, reptiles, and mammals, while also helping shape plant communities.
get back.
Get away from it, Tommy. Tommy.
Our planet is home to billions of animals. Some live in the oceans, some in deserts, and others in jungles. Each one is unique and plays an important role in nature. In this video, I'll share amazing facts and details about different animals in the world. This is the A to Z Animal series, and today we'll explore creatures from A to G. Let's begin this journey into the wild wonders of our planet. Please do not forget to subscribe.